mugene murebe yago abantu yagiye azamura murebe n'abaraba ngo ba Godfather ngo abangaba ngo ni bandi bose biri
bajadi bande
bari urubyiruko niki get the youth get the youth
official
chest official nabo ki fitness game gusa fitness gang big energy official get the youth
yaman
aho muri
fitness twaje big energy we are back we come kaza tubarebe se ni cyumvuga yo my good people mumeze mute this your boy is the great imunsi ngabana gerageje ko navugira no bitaye cop on that ngo guys mubizi he's right here in Kampala so I tried to talk to him but it was not easy. I tried my best but I ended up failing, as you know everybody can fail at anything. So maze gufiringa rero I was like reka no check abagero youth barenze babo bashokuba baracirinze nawe cyangwa se bashokuba barayikuye nawe bambwire sinakora iki kugira ngo ujye kubanza mugire kwanza dukore nawe ikiganiro. You guys, I promise you go soon murabona ikiganiro cya Yago Pondat here on this channel cyangwa se duciringe nawe whatever is gonna happen, that's all. So ngiye gutinga risk ninjira mu rupangu rw'abagero youth kuko murabizi abagero youth they are good people na ibirya, so twigirane du checking what's going on. Yeah, urabona urupangu ari insazi no kurufungura mu byumva na song ni Yago Pondat. Cameraman twinjire yanga ko mu byumva urupangu naho ewana indirimbo ni Yago Pondat. Gusa arabona ari n'abahungu baba giant but turavugana nabo narebi checking abahungu baba giant yemanje kubatinyamo reka dere ku mugabo tubona ari yicaye see what's going on because dere ku mugabo wicaye hano aturebere wagwan kuko ndabona aba giant yo nayo turayavugisha ariko nimugira ikibazo abageto youth n'abantu beza n'abantu b'urukundo bazino sagatsiko nkuko you people be saying sagatsiko ni family n'urukundo big energy is love. So rero dushirike kwanza no imungu tubona bicaye hano kwanza maze dutema tubwire what's going on. Yo big man bimeze bite shiri Kampala gamberi cya soko kwata kantu kano kati nobo kateka wano tewali buzima nobo kambara wano okay yaman none amakuru dufite nuko uru rupangu turi mu kano kanya ari urw'abagero yego ka volume yeah nawe wabugabanyije ku karirimbo kwanza narebiye urupangu turi mu kano kanya amakuru dufite nuko ari urw'abagero youth. So twagerageje kuba twaganira n'abagero youth banze batubwire what's going on, how is Yago Pondat, bimeze bite. Yena tries kubona mugiraho but I ended up failing like ngire ko bagero youth ndebe noneho icyo bamfasha cyangwa se inama bangira kugira ngo mungu mbe namugiraho. I tried actually. Yago is a very big name, you people is a very big name, is a very big name. Nageze muri Kampala aho bibindi so reka tuganire n'abahungu noneho banze batubwire ghetto youth what's going on, big energy, what's up Kampala, what's up Uganda, yeah tunababungaho n'iki actually. Yeah, so ngiye ikintu cya mbere nagira mbaze cyangwa se ikintu cya mbere nagira menye like cya mbere kwanza cause ngiye kuva Yago yagira hano in Kampala we never chilled, we never sat somewhere and we chill no. Gusa ndibaza yuko muri no rupango all in all mushaka mwarakirinze nawe cause muraba big energy bakomeye all in all ikintu nuko mwakirinze nawe. So nagira mudusangize ku buzima bayimo hano mu minota mike y'ishoboka mudusangize life yiwe, how is he safe, how is he doing n'ibindi ariko nyine muri kino kiganiro nshaka yuko nimba muza kunyemerera dukebure n'abantu bari gukora amakosa cause abantu bakurikira big energy mukuru Yago yaduhaye uburenganzira bwo buri muntu wese ushaka kwangiza community cyangwa se umuryango mugari w'abanyarwanda cyangwa se w'abanya East Africa muri rusange tumwihera ibihano. Nagira ngo no munsi na groups turutangire dutanga ibihano no turakebura abantu bamwe na bamwe, then next video tugomba kuzatanga ibihano kandi nanone next video I think Yago Pondat azagaragara hano. Utagaragaye hano na we will chill with him tumwumve tumubahe kwanza nangu mubaze mubyishe. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, twagira kwenda dukina muri make how is Yago abahe mu buzima bumeze gute hano in Kampala and many good stuffs. Yeah man.
Okay hano hano wageze kwanza turanza tuguhe introduction hano wageze kuko biraza ko abakurikiye ikiganiro muri gukora bishobora kuba batazi hano hantu.
Yeah, nagurukamo nk'aba big energy, let's have energy.
Big energy yababarizwa muri Uganda muri East Africa.
Yeah man.
Uhageze ubundi bugeze mu kibita big energy wageze muri big energy bya Atari bwo. Natwe rero amakuru yo bita Yago Pondate ni amakuru twe dufite kubera ko ni umuntu dukurikirana n'ubu tumukurikiranye kuva kera kuko Yago ni umuntu ngere nabashije mbere Yago mumenya actually namumenye kuri like hari kera sinibuka igihe yakoraga kuri I think Goodrich TV niho namumenye bwa mbere. Again ajya kuri TV10 aho yakoraga ikiganiro cya Code 250. Urumva ni abantu twabashije ko twahura tugenda duhurira mu bintu bigiye bitandukanye tugenda tumenyana biri like
sorry gato dufite amakuru yuko nawe wakoze ikiganiro kuri Goodrich TV muri iyo myaka Yago
nagiye icyo gihe niwe wananyakiriye actually niwe wanyakiriye nawe nyiri umwana muto was in primary. Urumva aranyakira mbona is a very friendly guy. Urumva icyo gihe ataraba na star actually he was a very humble guy ushaka kwiyubaka ariko ubona ko afite ibitekerezo biri very big. Icyo gihe ubwo ndibuka twakoranye ikiganiro ndasubiza kuri Goodrich TV n'umbosi wa Goodrich TV bamwita gute ndamwibagiye nawe umugabo w'umukire cyane so nafashije amatalent menshi cyane nawe shout out to him kabisa ndamushimira bya Atari umugabo nawe yagiye akora ibintu bigiye bimeze fresh sana. Ngo tugore gato ku muntu bita Yago ni hano muri Uganda umuntu bita Yago ubizi ijambo Yago hano muri Uganda si ikintu cyoroshye. Abantu bari mu Rwanda bibaza yuko Yago hano hantu yahunze yaje muri bad life Yago yinjira muri Uganda ngiye narindi muri kuri TV station imwe hano muri Uganda.
Yeah man,
ikintu cyabaye nuko umujama yahamagaye undi arambwira abantu mu Yago ari muri Uganda ari naha ngera bo ibyo abantu bari big babashaka baravuga ati what the hell is this Yago ari hano mbona bafite gahunda nyinshi cyane zo kujya kumureba none nawe yahise babwira ati ariko nubwo nageze muri Uganda I'm very busy I'm with some people turi kuganira ibintu bimwe na bimwe nta muntu uri bumbone. Imagine entertainment ya Uganda Yago yageze muri Uganda entertainment irahagarara bashaka kumuvugisha nizo none ama TV station hano abashatse gukoresha ikiganiro Yago arababwira ati mwe muretse nacyari mu bintu byanjye. Urumva ubu bari curious sana bashaka kumenya ibintu byinshi kuri Yago baramukunda ariko remember back home abantu bamuri bubi kabisa mvuze bamuri urumva ngo abantu bamuri ku mutwe nago bari kujyana nawe
mu magambo cyane nago ama
credit urukumva iki yari rero ngiye nce kwenda
they underrate him mu magambo y'Icyongereza
ikintu cyo kubanza kuvugaho nuko ikintu cyambere ugomba kumenya nuko umuntu bita Yago Pondate ushaka kumenya makuru yiwe jya mu ba ghetto youth barakubwira wagwan with the guy kubera ko ramutipe twe turamuzi makuru turayazi atugeraho turacilinga nawe baratuvugisha no umuntu ku kintu cyo guteza imbere urubyiruko not even only in Rwanda muri South Africa in coming days araza muri TZ hariho ama project afiteyo ashaka no kumencinga yo Yago TV show muri Tanzania Kenya and Burundi rubango aho hanagiyeyo agakora icyo gikorwa is going to employ abantu bari young atanga akazi iki ibintu bigenda neza cyane so gufata rero umuntu bita Yago Pondate
rating like they harass him speaking
to mbona ko ari ibintu twakarwanyije kandi tukabirwanya none atarwa ngo tubirwanya gake tukabirwanya twivuye inyuma kubera yuko Yago ni umuntu ukorana ikintu nakubwira ni umuntu Yago ukora ibintu biri like byama long term goals niwango ni wa muntu ibintu akoranaga ari ibintu ushobora ngo Yago nawe aragiye nabyo biragiye Yago muri aka kanya harimo abantu yakize muri entertainment bakomeye ubona yuko no kuvuga ngo ugiye kumunyeganyeza ari ibintu
is not easy
ariko then ikibazo nuko nabo bantu bamwe n'abamusanga bagaruka bagashaka kumwataka bitewe nuko nabo babonye hari undi bahaye kudufaranga ati mwatake Yago bose bakagenduka ariko for real ikintu cyo kuvuga ngo Yago hano muri Uganda ni umuntu very big byatari very big guy hano mwabonye ama interview yagiye akorana nabo bita ba White Bender yakoranye na Tata Sandra
actually ari kumwe n'aba big people
ari kumwe n'aba big people
Safari Agaba the biggest match
mugabo Safari guys no kwenda sinzi nimba ibintu byiwe abantu babijya muri nakoze research ku bintu byiwe mugabo he's a very big man in kwanza he's a global citizen kubera ko mugabo afite company ikora muri Canada, America,
here in Uganda, wherever.
Here in Uganda, no mu Rwanda, I think the
Safari Global Service stuff like that.
Afite n'abakozi ndibaza I think. So nubwo Yago nimba ari muri izo move akabari korana nabo bantu, why don't you guys respect this man?
Yeah, for sure.
Usanga buri mwese kumurwanya none ari utwana mbona dukora ibiganiro
tuvuga ejo bundi
dufaranga like tutabasha kuvugira dufaranga turi very small money ugasanga bari kujya kuri Yago bari kumuvugaho nabi ibyo bintu tugomba kubirwanya kabisa.
Nk'aba ghetto youth
kabisa n'ahantu mwageze ni ghetto youth gusa ari abahungu banyisize niba mwabanza mukabavugisha
reka tubanze tubagereho kandi abonye abahungu bakoze umubiri
abona abakoze bana muri Uganda kumenya guys
bari kwikinira
muri Uganda hano entertainment ya Uganda it is so difficult kuri ya level yo kuvuga ngo nimba utari kumwe n'abantu nk'aba ngaba bakoze umubiri
muri securities
ntabwo wize ko urajya mu mashows usanga uye n'ibibazo mwongera ari ukuntu njya no mu mashow n'iki cyangwa ugasanga hari nka mu project ugiye gukora njye nitwaza abagabo kubera yuko nzi neza yuko hano muri Uganda muri show
securities
naho ikintu kitari cyiza icyo bita akavuyo gatangira utari kumwe n'abantu bose kuba babasha kumenya umutekano wageze gute it's kind of hard so mu Rwanda muri the game I don't know twihano biba bigoranye cyane cyangwa no kujyamo ugasanga umuntu driving it's so hard so ngira ngo abahungu banyu nabo bavugisha
no kubanza gukebura
bimeze naba big energy very big sana mwabonye bana energetic kabisa sizere kandi gufasha ka micro kubera yuko ndabona nawe
mbonye nawe kubanza gukebura abantu bari gushaka gufata opportunities that they have down there in Kigali using them in motherfucking negative way. We don't support them. You have a good connection, you have a good electricity, everything is good, but you guys are using it in negative ways. Going there mugatangira gutukana ngo sinzi, we don't need that shit. Ghetto youth na big energy nagaragatsiko, it's a family, tugomba kurwanya that thing on yani ko dushoboye cause. Yeah man guys, mbakebure sana iyo connection muyikoreshe mu rukundo mwubakana. That's what we want from you guys. We don't want to see you going there on platform doing motherfucking shit. Guys njye nabakeburaga other than that very soon tuba dropping aho a very dangerous thing. Yeah man, twikiringire n'abahungu hano kwanza ba big men bakoze umubiri
yaje wenyine
abafite umufasha.
Yo, what's up bro?
Yo ngo mumeze mungu nahita nafasha ka micro kamwe kwanza. Yeah man abahungu bakoze umubiri. Yeah man none sabahungu ku kintu cya Yago mutubwira ikintu kimwe, like what do you know about Yago Pondat? Ni ikintu mumuzi?
So first what you know about Yago?
Yeah man,
ibintu byinshi cyane kabisa. Yago ni umuntu ukora hamwe, ni umuntu ukunda urubyiruko cyane.
Yeah,
as you see, as a big energy, you see how we are, yeah? Strong and
yeah man guys, mwanyemera ngakora kuri yo
yeah, cyase waboko ntabwo twishyuza
kabisa. Yeah man guys, wallahi kabisa ikintu cy'umubiri cyarakozwe kabisa.
So tukira aho ngaho
energetic guys,
energetic boys.
Yeah man, maximum respect cyangwa umuhungu wacu, maximum respect to big energies, maximum respect to everybody supporting urukundo, supporting East Africa, supporting Rwanda, Burundi, Kenya, Tanzania, wherever, Congo, DRC, wherever bro guys, we gotta support each other. Abantu by'amatiko mumbwirira ijambo rimwe abantu bakwirakwiza amatiko, ugasanga umuntu agiye on platform yiwe isa nka ari nini agiye guseka ubusa ngo nazanye ngo umuntu ngo yakoreye ibi nebe something which is useless. What is he like? He's not helping anything in community, just kururwa ngo what are they building in us, man? They're just doing something like I don't know how I can describe this, gusa bari gukora umwanda. That's what I can call this shit. So guys, mumbare mubambwirire ijambo rimwe dufite tukomeza ikiganiro cyacu.
Okay, cyo twabwira kabisa bafite kureba ibintu umuhungu wacu Yago Pondat akora as Ghetto Youth. Big energy, big energy. Nuko barasa bose nuko bamena mu
kweli mazee.
So njango mayona kabisa twe turi kwikira inyanga turi gutaga puru kandi tuza na big energy bose. Shout out guys.
Wagwa big energy yawe wese ni mu icupa mu big energy rifakirimwe man.
Big energy shout out baze kwanza tubanze tubatemo.
Yeah man badushake kwanza guys na big brand yanyu naibonye. It's fitness gang official.
Fitness
ongeraho big energy ako kandi tugomba kongeraho. So ukenera abantu guys, Ghetto Youth. Yeah man,
bose nuko barashaka kabisa
ukweli tuzabakoma kuva Monday mpaka Sunday. Uzagerageza wese gukora ku kintu bita big energy, gukora ku muntu bita Yago Pondat. Guys, Yago is a very big name kandi no mu region. So you guys watch yourself, watch what you are doing, what you are doing. Big energy duhagurutse tugastanding up. You guys nubwo cyane bwanyu buri pembeni, you can put them down. Gusa siyo purpose yacu twe dufite kubaka East Africa, Rwanda. We have to build the world kwa ujumla. noneho very soon turatangiye kudropinga ibiganiro mu ndimi zose za East Africa kugira ngo tubereke yuko Big Energies dushaka kubuildinga East Africa, hata Kiswahili, hata Ruganda, hata Runyankole, hata English, kila kitu mtapata hapa kwa POV, mtapata everything. Msijali, kila kitu kipo, vitu vya poa, mambo ya sawa, vitu vya upendo, hakuna ubaguzi hapa, hakuna mambo ya separate people, no, hapa ni unity. Big Energy, we are family. Let's build our continent, let's build Africa, let's build everything. Bimeze bite ndibaza ko bimeze fresh. Rero nagira amabasi just akantu gatoya kuri Yago, mutubwire just like a small thing about Yago. Uyu ni umwanya wanyu nk'aba Big Energy banini bakoze no mubiri, mutubwire about Yago. Man.
Ewana Yago ngiye cyo namubwira na hari kabisa abyumve ni Ghetto Youth. Ghetto Youth. Ewana nicyo muzo kabisa.
Man. No mungu.
So tukiri aho ngaho njewe Yago byo umuntu amuvuga ni byinshi cyane kabisa kuko ugiye kureba bose bamurwanya batamuvuga neza, nta kintu kugeza isaha ari kumara urubyiruko, ariko we ari kuzamura urubyiruko kabisa, ari kuzamura abajene
maximum respect.
Mbese mugene murebe Yago abantu yagiye azamura, murebe n'abareba ngo ba Godfather ngo abangaba ngo ni bandi bose biri niki.
It's nothing, man. They are very useless. Kudushamo ibice ngo bazanye nguyu ngo vuga ngo yagukoreye ibi on platform. Ibyo birego byane muri Ribu niko kazi kayo. Kibaye kucya kazi kari bubagarize izo platforms zabo. Izo platforms zabo bakagombye kuzikoresha bubaka urubyiruko.
Ko niwe muntu kabisa uteza urubyiruko imbere akadufasha buri kimwe cyose. Ndakeka ko umuntu nabona ni video Ewana. He gonna do something. Yago niwe muntu jewe nakuze kabisa nemera agikora kuri
Code 250.
Aho hose kabisa jewe niwe muntu nakuze nemera. Abo ngabo bose ngo wa Mr Irene uzagenda urebe niba hari Mr Irene niba afite basi n'ikiganiro cy'umusitari wa hano muri Uganda. Rero sibyo bose baraza bakajya gufata ibiganiro byo gusenya gusa no kujya
akandi kantu nakongeraho Yago ni umunyamakuru henyine mu Rwanda ushobora kujya kuri platform yiwe ari mu gihugu kitari iki agakora mu rurimi rw'Uruganda like 20 minutes.
Noneho
ninde wundi wa trying that nawe
noneho n'ikirenzeho urumva hano muri Uganda, urumva niwe munyamakuru wavuye mu Rwanda akaza agakoresha
big names nk'abano ba style bakomeye ku mayimbi.
Abo bose yarabakoresheje. Ibyo byo kuza bashaka kumusebya bashaka kumujya gute ibyo birabareba.
Kandi unyanga kunsebya ibyo birabareba.
Positivity nicyo kintu kiri imbere.
Energetic guys.
Fitness gang kabisa turi hano turabaye official chest official ntabwo kiri fitness gang gusa. Fitness gang Big Energy official Ghetto Youth. Man. Aho muri hose fitness twaje Big Energy we are back, we coming kaze tubarebe se n'iki muvuga